Good evening, folks. We are live at 10:35, and we are battling for David's 8-figure AFA lot. There they be. There's 200 spots. Winner gets all 8, it looks like, which is pretty cool. There's 200 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our big winner. Going to copy here. Gonna paste them here. There they are, 1 through 200. All in a nice little row there for us. There they are as I scroll back to the top. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. We got a 9. So we're good to go. Good luck, everybody, as we get right into the action. Here we go. Good luck, folks. Matt Johnson takes round 1. And round 2. Scott round 3. Matt Johnson again on top in round 4. And round 5. And round 6. Alex Miner breaks the streak there, taking round 7 with number 116. Matt Johnson again on top in round 8, which means I've come to the ever-important final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winner is Brad in at number 157. Congratulations, Brad. Here's the verification code and our official results. UPETNN. Brad at number 157 is the champ of this battle, which means I'm done at 10:37 p.m. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Brad at number 157 is the winner. Congratulations. We'll see you next time, guys. Happy New Year.